This study talks about the age difference in children's social skills. The research question was, how do toddlers and preschoolers differ in social interaction? My hypothesis was preschoolers will be more socially active than toddlers. There were two settings, the toddlers class and the preschool class. Inside both classrooms, there's an indoor room and outdoor playground. Within the both classrooms, there's a built-in observation room that allows observers to see the whole classroom, including the outside. Inside the observation room are one-sided mirrors that function as mirrors on the classroom side and transparent glass on the observation room side. It is really dark inside the observation room because lights would reveal observer to the children that's inside the classroom. Observers are also not allowed to talk inside the observation room in precaution of alerting the children that they are being watched. The whole observational period, observers stood behind the one-sided mirror and observed each children's behavior and actively seek for interaction among children that were both in the indoor room and outdoor playground. Any children has performed any of the 5 social skills will be marked as socially interact. Each children can be marked only once. The observational data was collected using running record method. And after collecting the data from both classrooms, and then I calculate the percentage of social interaction in both classes. The result of this observation it indicated that toddlers and preschoolers were less socially active than expected. In the observation of 10 toddlers and 25 preschoolers, there were only 3 toddlers and 3 preschoolers that ever interacted in the period of my observation, which is 30 minutes. Even though the preschool classroom is 2.5 times bigger than the toddler class, the amount of children that interacted with their peers are relatively the same as toddlers class. I hypothesized that preschoolers would be more socially active than toddlers, but the percentage of the total social interaction of both classes showed an opposite result of my hypothesis. The preschoolers' social interaction percentage was 12%, while the toddlers class had 30% interaction. Unfortunately, the result of this observation did not support my hypothesis. Toddlers are actually more socially active compared to preschoolers. This study was conducted to investigate the progress of social development in both toddlers and preschoolers. The results showed both toddlers and preschoolers separate themselves among their peers. Hardly few children have performed the social skill greeting peers, adjusting to peers, intimidating peers, offering something to peers, and accepting something from peer. But based on the proportion of both class, toddlers class are more socially active than preschool class. This result did not support my hypothesis. One of the limitations of this study was it's only done in one children's center. It cannot represent all the children in that age. And another limitation would be the timing of this observation. Maybe it's because it was done in the afternoon and maybe the children was new to the school and maybe the children was just in that mood that day and that time. The implication of this study was to get attention to the public of this potential problem if children were not properly trained in social development and skills, and it's also to remind educators the importance of social development in childhood and how would it affect a person later on.